If you're searching for a solution to streamline your construction estimating process, you're probably wondering whether Fieldwire or Builder Database is the better choice. In this video, we're going to take a close look at both, weighing their features, pros, and cons, so you can make the most informed decision. Stick around because at the end, I'm going to recommend an alternative you won't want to miss. Let's start by talking about Fieldwire. Fieldwire is a widely used software that offers project management tools designed to help construction teams with tasks like scheduling, document management, and, yes, estimating. It's often praised for its user-friendly interface, especially when it comes to organizing blueprints and job site communication. But when it comes to estimating, things get a little tricky. While Fieldwire provides some basic cost tracking and project reporting tools, its core strength isn't really in detailed construction estimating. If you need an in-depth, accurate breakdown of costs or labor estimates, you might find Fieldwire a bit lacking. It's more geared towards task management and real-time collaboration rather than being a dedicated estimating solution. Next, let's dive into Builder Database. Builder Database is built specifically for construction estimating with a library of pre-built cost data, which makes it a solid choice if you're looking for detailed, accurate estimates. It's got an impressive range of features for professional estimators, including material lists, labor rates, and cost data tailored to different regions. You can create and customize estimates for everything from small projects to massive builds. But Builder Database isn't perfect either. One of the drawbacks is that it's not as intuitive as Fieldwire. The learning curve is a bit steeper, and users often report feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of features and options. It can also be a bit slow when processing large projects. Additionally, while Builder Database does offer good customization, it's not as flexible in terms of integration with other software you may already be using. Now, you're probably wondering, if both of these tools have their weaknesses, what's the best option for construction estimating? Well, here's the catch. While both Fieldwire and Builder Database are solid choices, they're missing something critical for some users: a seamless integration of detailed estimating with real-time collaboration and project management tools. The fourth thing to consider is that you might want to try an alternative that combines all the strengths you're looking for. This brings us to our recommendation. If you're aiming for a more comprehensive solution that doesn't compromise on estimating power or project management, there's a tool that beats both Fieldwire and Builder Database hands down. After trying both of these options myself, I believe the best alternative for your construction estimating needs is something you can try for free through the first link in the description. This alternative offers a free trial and exclusive benefits for our viewers, making it a no-brainer if you want to take your estimating and project management to the next level. In conclusion, both Fieldwire and Builder Database have their merits. Fieldwire excels at project management and on-site communication, but falls short in detailed estimating. Builder Database shines in estimating accuracy, but has a steeper learning curve and lacks some flexibility. However, if you're looking for the best of both worlds, accurate, detailed estimating, and a comprehensive project management solution, check out the free trial link below for an exclusive offer that you won't find anywhere else.